Hi everybody, it's me Maggie back with another DIY video. So in a previous video that I posted, I showed you where I painted the outside of my storage shed, and I had one where I painted the inside. So today I am going to show you, I looked at the shed and I thought it looked really nice with the dark gray and the white. But the outside of it looked kind of terrible. So I decided I was going to try and decorate the outside of the shed. Now what I had in mind was to put like the white pebbles, gravel type thing right around the outside, and then use something to make like a border around it and just fill it up with gravel. However, the problem was I went to the hardware and I didn't get the white colored gravel that I wanted. So I bought one that was kind of brownish, kind of more the color of the dirt, kind of, with different shades dropped in there. And I bought, I think 5 or 6 bags. I can't even remember. Which in my mind, I thought it was going to be enough. So I paid for it. I had the guys load it on a cart. I paid for it and I had them load it in my car. But I never checked to see how heavy each bag was. So anyway, I will show you what happened. So after I cleared out all of this stones and different things around the front, because I had a lot of stones and just junk on the outside to the front and all around the sides. Some of that stuff is like down in the earth. I couldn't get it up, like that big one you see on the right of the screen. I couldn't dig that up, so I just had to leave that there. So I figure if I fill in gravel around it, it will be okay. So then I saw somebody do this where they use cardboard and newspaper. So I thought if I put cardboard and newspaper around the area, that it would prevent weeds and stuff from coming out. So there I am. I spread all the cardboard and thing, and I decided to just soak it down with water so the paper would lay down as I worked on it. So there I am with all of my bags of gravel, which I discovered I didn't purchase nearly enough gravel, was the first problem. And then the other problem was how heavy the bags of gravel was. gravel and cover the cardboard and everything. But like I said, it wasn't working. So I had to make a decision. So I had to decide then, like it says here, I had to change the entire project because it just was not working. So what I ended up doing was on the sides, I took up all the paper and the cardboard, and I tried to bring all the gravel to the front because the gravel I had was only enough for the front. So that's what you see there. I got 2 little pots with the orange color, which I think would have made everything, would have blended nice with the dark gray and the white. So then I had these pieces of wood from when I cut the branches off my tree, which there's another video on that if you want to look at it. So I tried to pull most of the gravel from the side, which as you can see, there's still a lot on the thing because I couldn't get them all up, short of standing up and picking them up one by one, which by this time I was tired. So I had, I did the video, I exported the video, and I've been sitting on it. I didn't like how it looked. So I made another change. After a few weeks, I have, looking at the video from time to time, I'm like, So I made some changes. As you can see, I brought the little picket fence thing. I put that in. I changed the planner. I got some long planner boxes instead of the round ones. And I found these little signs at the dollar store for, of course, $1. So I used that and I put that in the front, and I try to keep all the gravel, which I will eventually have to buy some more gravel, but I said that will be next summer because summer is almost done and my budget for this year is done. So that's what the front of my shed looks like, which I think it looks pretty good to me. So I bought I have a fire pit, and I bought 2 chairs, and there you see some pallets in the corner, which is some of my upcoming projects. I'm going to use that. So a friend of mine bought me those pallets, which I was very grateful for. So yeah, that's what the front of my shed looks like. I think it's really cute. And then here is the area with my fire pit. I bought the pavers, the chairs. I got a steal of a deal for like $60 per chair. And I had an umbrella on my deck. I put that there. So whenever it gets a little bit more chilly and I decide I want to do a fire pit, I've already got it set up. So anyway, guys, it is Friday. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. And join me next Friday for my next video. Do not forget to like, subscribe, share, comment. Whatever makes you happy, I would like you to do it. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next Friday. Okay? All right. Bye now.